Ladies and gentlemen, we have to talk because I was scrolling down Instagram and we saw this game. So in this video, we're going to be talking about what the game is, how it works, and if you should get involved. But what's up? My name is Brandon Young. On this channel, I teach you how to make, save, and invest money. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss a beat. It always seems like people are finding new ways to part us with our money. But the thing is, this isn't something that is new. Now, to a lot of us that are being introduced to this game is kind of like the Cash App, money wheel. You'll see it all around social media, people trying to get people involved. But this game actually popped up about 3 years ago, and it is called the Blessed Loom. Now this is the Blessed Loom, and essentially this person in the purple is going to have a very good night because they are walking home with $800. Now essentially how it works is this person on the purple is the actual person receiving that gift. The ones on the pink, those are actually called the leaders. The people on the green are the marketers that are actually getting these people on the blue. And the people on the blue are called the gift givers. Now, basically what would happen is in this situation, these green spots are going to be trying to fill in all of these blue spots. Once all of those are filled and each person that is on the blue spot has given in their $100, it will be gifted to this person in the middle, which is Ryan. Now, once Ryan has received his gift, this loom will split into two. So it will be split in half. So Ashley and everybody else on this side will be put into a new loom, and Kanan and everybody else on this side will be put onto a new loom, and everybody moves down one space. Now, basically, I just used this top half and showed you how it would look once the next loom is created. So since we have Ashley here and she moves down to the middle, Bridget and Sarah then move here. Then Ryan, Chelsea, Jessica, and I added Brian because it's an empty space. They would move here. Now, everybody in the green now, which is Ryan, Chelsea, Jessica, and Brian, their goal is to get this all filled up once again. And then once again, it's filled up, Ashley would get her payment. Now, I don't know if you realize what is going on here, but this is a Ponzi scheme. Obviously, this is only going to work if you keep bringing people in. That is how Ponzi schemes work. The first person often gets paid off the last people to come into the transaction. If there are no more people left in the transaction, the last people they cease to exist, then that person in the middle can't get paid. So obviously the scheme stops. A lot of you are going to feel fully immersed in the scheme and feel like you have to see it out because you want to make your money back. But just realize you do run a risk that if people stop trying to market and people stop trying to actually go forth with this, you may not see your $100 or make your $800 at all. Now, like I said, the scam isn't new and it was actually done through PayPal about 3 years ago. But the thing about PayPal is once you do this, you do actually have the chance of receiving your money back. But with Cash App rules, they usually tell you, if you do not know these people, do not send your money to them. Simple fact. If you do not know people, do not send money to them. And if you send that $100, you're more than likely not going to see it again. If you have people trying to get you involved in this game, I have broken it down, showed you exactly the risks. It is obviously a scam. It is a Ponzi scheme. I would not recommend anybody do this. Please try to stay away from this as much as possible. It is often the friends that are trying to get you in are the closest to the circle, and obviously they're gonna try to want to get you in because the closer that they get to the circle is the closer they get to the money. But please be very wary that this is a Ponzi scheme. You do run the risk of losing your money. I wouldn't do it. I recommend that you don't do it. And you gotta stay aware of these scams because most of these scams that come out, it's usually not a really new scam. It's just something something that has been re-engineered. They may have made it look different, they may have changed the wording a bit, but it's usually the same concept. So I wouldn't be surprised if this scam comes out again in another year or two in a different form, but please be wary of this. Try to stay away from it, please. If you enjoyed this explanation and you like videos like this, please give this a like and go subscribe to my channel for more content. I'm Brandon Young, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.